All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this David Weekley property. This is the Berkshire. It is a little windy out here, so you might hear a little bit of wind, but let's go into the covered front porch so that way you can see the beauty of this property. Now, I have showcased the Layton, I've showcased the Leeward, so you're definitely going to see some common themes inside of here. You have the crown molding as soon as you walk into the foyer. Right here would be your garage. Of course, it is the sales office currently, but as soon as they sell off the model house, that will be your garage. So this will be your first bedroom. You have your LED ceiling fan inside of here. You have your wood accent wall right there. I absolutely love that. This is perfect for a guest room. You have carpet inside of here. So this one is in Cane Island in Katy, Texas. Now keep in mind, folks, this is where the model is, but they're building all over. So the closest to this, neighborhood would be Jordan Ranch, which is in Fulshear, Texas, and they have some available. Of course, they will eventually sell off the model house, but we don't have a time frame just yet. And this will be your first full bath right here. You do have that wooden mirror frame that we so much love with the black lighting fixture and the nice size walk-in shower. So we'll keep going. Right here to the left, you could use this easily as maybe a formal dining room, or you could use it as a study, or use it as another game room. So the possibilities are endless with this one. What you're definitely going to notice is the open concept, but we'll take a right here. This will be your mud room / laundry room combo. So just for reference, right there, that door, let's say for instance, you're coming from the garage, you'll be greeted with the mud room right here. And look how much space you have inside of here for a nice size washer and dryer. I love the upgraded cabinetry that we have on top. And look at this. How funny is this? You got your dog wash right here. Let's continue along. And of course, folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome. And if you are new to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to buy and sell here in the greater Houston area and around Texas. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can always reach out to the information below. And I'm definitely going to be expanding outside of Houston, to Dallas, San Antonio, Austin. So consider hitting that subscribe button if you want to be the first to see these beautiful tours that I do, and hit that notification bell. So this will be our third bedroom right here. So I'm noticing you have a lot of space inside of here. You have carpet inside the bedrooms, and you even have a walk-in closet right here. Some of the other bedrooms didn't have that walk-in closet, but if you want something that you can walk into, it might be best just to go ahead and go with the Layton or the Leeward. They'll definitely suit you. And this will be your kitchen open to your informal dining room and your living room. So we'll start right here in the kitchen. So if you notice, you got your stack cabinets on top. You have your wooden range hood with the corbel. And then also you have this backsplash. I absolutely love it. You got quartz countertops in here, brass lighting fixtures, which is fantastic. You have double ovens, and not to mention, you have your coffee bar area. And you might be wondering, where's the pantry at? It's right here, hidden over here. You have a full-size walk-in pantry with plenty of storage shelf. And I absolutely love that. You have the black handles right here. You have plenty of space for a nice size refrigerator. Look at this. This is an entertainer's dream without a doubt. All the family can sit in here comfortably, and not to mention you have your sliders over there, access to the backyard. And this one's on a 60-foot lot. So you can even tell back there that you have plenty of space. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is your primary bedroom. Look how gorgeous this is. You have tray ceilings on the top with the wooden ceiling. You have your accent wall, crown molding, and your brass chandelier. Can't get much better than this. I absolutely love this. Let's do a pan right here. Wow. Plenty of space inside of here. Gosh, almost absolutely gorgeous. Now right here, I love the door, but quite frankly, I would probably add a pocket door. I think that would be fantastic. And this is your primary bathroom. So you have dual sinks inside of here. You have this large oversized mirror, plus you have 2 lighting fixtures. You have a super shower right here as well with the waterfall shower head. I absolutely love the waterfall shower head. Plus you have the windows right there as well as the recessed lighting. I love it. And then of course, it wouldn't be complete without, so you got your closet right there and then a large oversized primary closet. Look how much room you have in here. You definitely can't complain. I love this. I mean, even with the tray ceilings, and I won't hold it against them that they didn't add a pocket door right here, but I think it definitely still looks great. And like I said, I mean, David Weekley, they have plenty of plans to accommodate any needs that you have. So if it's something that you want a little bit more space, you definitely can, you know, opt for that, just depending on which plan that you need and how much space you need in the backyard. So that's definitely one thing to keep in mind. And then we'll continue right here. Look how much space you have in this backyard right here. Perfection right here. You have your nice extended covered backyard patio. Of course, you have your sliders just to go ahead and quickly access the backyard. It's a little chilly right here in Houston, but look how much space you have back here. If you can imagine the kids having their trampoline, kids having their play set, you can even easily build or you know, put in a pool out here, because this is a 60-foot lot. So that's just for reference right there. And of course, that's the back of the property. So that, folks, is the lovely David Weekley Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was the lovely David Weekley property right here in Cane Island. Keep in mind, folks, they build all over Houston that I know of, probably other states as well, but this is just giving you a basis of what this Berkshire plan would look like. Of course, if you do want more information and you're in a situation where you're thinking about purchasing but don't know the next steps, reach out. We'll get you taken care of. Of course, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.